Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Happy to be here.
So you feeling good? You excited?
Ready.
You're here because you're some of the best designers and renovators in the business. Each of you will be assigned one of these identical, newly constructed homes. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a total of 2,530 square feet. These houses, they are a blank canvas for you. You can use what comes with the house, or you can uninstall and replace. You can completely redesign, whatever you want to do. These homes are brand new and already have a very strong market value of $750,000. The tough part, you'll have just 4 weeks to add as much value as possible to your houses. At the end of that time, yours truly and my team of real estate experts are going to do a full top-to-bottom inspection of your newly renovated homes. The designer whose house has the highest appraised value will be the winner, not only earning bragging rights, but this street will be named in their honor. Plus, we'll be donating to Turn Up to provide 100,000 meals to fight childhood hunger.
Yes.
Better than a street name.
Take that.
Yeah.
Shall we give you some money?
Yeah.
All right. $175,000 for each of you to work with.
Man.
When you're moving walls, when you're doing new kitchens, bathrooms, it's amazing how fast $175,000 will go.
These are your keys.
Thank you very much.
I'm not gonna lie, I am in over my head. This is a huge competition for me, and winning it could really elevate my career as a designer.
Now, every week I'm gonna assign a different zone of the house. I'll be checking in throughout the competition, and at the end of each week, I'm gonna send one of my friends from our HGTV family to take a look at your spaces, give you some feedback, critique your work, and then declare who they feel best designed the space to add as much value as possible to your house. This week, your guest is Southern California real estate expert and star of Flip or Flop, Tarek El Moussa. The first zone I'd like you to start with is the master suite.
Okay, yeah.
All these uppers off. 1, 2, 3.
Got that?
Yep.
This is by far the nicest house that I've ever had a demo day on. And as a matter of fact, most of it's uninstalling, not actually demoing, because they're really nice. They're just not competition material. So we've got our game plan pretty well put together at our house, and now Corey and I are gonna go on a little spy mission and just check out other people's trash piles. Looks like they cut their tub out too.
No countertops?
Allison's got her master bath unit out, which I think everyone's gonna do. Nothing terribly interesting. Just get out.
Don't worry, we're leaving. We're just checking out your trash.
But we walk up to Leanne's. Oh man, she has it completely open. And you can, from the sidewalk, see all the way through her house. Master bathroom, I think? Yeah. She's removed the wall between the garage and making it part of the master bath. So her master bath is gonna be huge.
I don't know, I need to rethink about that.
Do you need some sinks?
No, we got
Scram!
I mean, it's a great spot for a bathtub.
One of the key features of my bathroom is gonna be this really cool clawfoot tub. That's gonna make this bathroom look really unique. It's gonna up the value and hopefully blow the other girls out of the water. So we're trying to remove this thing, and I look over at Scott and I notice something horrible.
I can see the outside from here. It's probably not a good thing.
No, you can't.
I just saw the outside. Push it one more time. Yeah, look, you just cut through the house.
Shut your mouth.
I'm not even kidding. I can see the outside from here.
I mean, this is bad. Yeah, I can patch this up, but it's going to cost money. Any more setbacks like this, and I'm not gonna win this competition.
Woo!
This is pretty awesome tile, huh?
I love it. This tile is so good. All imperfect. I'm taking a gamble, using a big chunk of the budget to do the master suite.
Gorgeous.
We're doing this very expensive chevron tile just to elevate things, keep it artisanal and beautiful. My plan is honestly risky, but that's the way I'm going to add value to this home. Steve always complains about how imperfect the tile is. Look how good it looks.
Why don't you try doing tile sometime, Leanne? Always complaining. Come on.
Hey, Ari,
Yeah, what's up?
this is my floor. So this floor is actually the entire master
That's the
bath
whole floor?
and the
Wow.
closet.
That is impressive. My strategy in the master bathroom is all about sophistication and class. When you've got a $20,000 closet, I don't want to mess around. So marble, 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 and being used in different ways.
Oh, wow. That is gorgeous.
I wanted something elegant and sophisticated. All of it's in Carrara marble, so that's an upgrade in any buyer's eyes.
It's like a spa in here.
You don't have to spend a ton of money to make it look really sophisticated. You just have to spend it right. As long as I stay in line and on budget, and I'm doing it the right way and spending it the right way, then I feel good. But I feel a little fear, and only for one person, Leanne.
I'm gonna really stay laser focused and not worry about the other girls because there's a couple more days to get this master suite turned around where honestly this would take months.
Time's running out, and I'm running out of steam. Oh yeah, this way for sure.
This way.
Staging, yes! What do you got for me? Let's do it. I like concrete, sorry guys.
We're working down to the very last minute.
MJ, which room are these pillows?
It's hectic.
How high up are we going?
MJ!
MJ!
Come over here and do this one first, please.
Let's lean this onto that door. This is cool because it's like jeans, like an old pair of jeans, but then it's dressed up a little. Makes this bedroom feel dressy and casual.
Hey you guys, we have 10 minutes. They're on their way.
All right, guys, I think this is it. Time's up.
You know, the other designers, they're good at their jobs, but this one might be better.
Hello.
Hey.
I hear, hey, where are you? Hi.
Hi. I want to make a headboard wall that everybody would love.
Oh, this is just the drywall.
That's literally just the orange peel walls everywhere.
I just learned something. That is brilliant. Well, I'm 100% stealing this. We have gold, we have brass, we have black. Love everything about it. Love the color scheme. So I think you nailed it in here.
Thank you.
As we enter the bathroom.
This is a $7,000 toilet.
You took a pretty big gamble actually spending that much money of your budget on the toilet because most people are gonna have no idea how much that thing is. Yes, you nailed this. Look how cool that is. The entire wall. It's like totally custom. You'll get a return all day.
So I wanted to make sure that I still had a bathtub because I feel like for resale with kids and everything, this is a money spot.
There's one thing that you really went after is the coolness factor. It's the details. The vanities, in my opinion, kind of looks like antique furniture, which is cool.
Between the custom closet, the high-end fixtures, and the custom headboard wall, I guarantee the other girls didn't do anything like I did. I elevated the master suite on every level.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow. Well, tell me about it. What is our theme here?
Comfy, lots of textures, like you want to curl up. And here, we left the layout very much the same and spent money on, obviously, all new flooring.
I love the freestanding tub.
Obviously need a soaking tub.
This wallpaper was definitely a little risky.
So this is probably where we spent like one of the bigger chunks of our budget. I wanted full slab, all the shower heads, 2 body sprayers and 2 more shower heads.
So this is the first thing that caught my eye because you never see slab walls anymore. Like we're talking about creating value and maximizing value. This shower right here, you nailed it. Buyers are gonna love this.
All in all, I'm pretty happy with what Tarek said about my master bath. He loved the slabs in the shower. He really liked the closet. He liked the herringbone floor. All that stuff was positive. The one thing he was unsure about was the graphic wallpaper that may not be for everyone.
Hey!
What's up?
Wow, look at this. All right, right away, I love that light.
Thank you. The master bedroom, I tried to keep it aesthetic because it wasn't a bad size, in my opinion, and just make it really cozy, really welcoming, and like plush. The nice thing about this master is it does have this ensuite, it ties in, and then this is the wow factor.
Why did you decide to go with so many different material choices? Because I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I wanted to do something that was different. I wanted to do something that felt really neutral and have different shapes and visual interest. I did do new fixtures, and they match in the shower as well. So I added a hand shower, I added the rain shower.
This is actually a really clean tile. I like this.
I like it, and it's porcelain, so I didn't have to seal it. It's never gonna stain. I wanted to do something that was family friendly.
Home run. Buyers are gonna love it.
He didn't like some of the tile and material choices or the lack of cabinets in the closet, but that's not gonna affect the value very much. Overall, I would say it was a positive review.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
Tarek, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Nice to see you.
But oh my God, I'll tell you what, this is so different than the other houses, and I love it. I'm a guy, I love the concrete, I love the walls like that. It's definitely artistic,
Yeah.
so the question is it gonna appeal to the masses?
No. All we care about, the one person who loves it. And then you want to see the bathroom?
Oh, before we do that, love this
Love
so
a barn
much.
door?
I thought the houses are the same floor plan.
It used to.
What did you do in here? This is absolutely stunning.
We bumped out into that space in the great room, and then it was all about this massive, gorgeous tub, this gorgeous shower, and I just wanted it to be straight down the line.
The way you reconfigure this is just absolutely awesome, and I think a buyer is gonna pay top dollar. Like, this is phenomenal. This is a huge gamble, but I think it's gonna pay off.
I know this was a total wild card, but this is a pretty nice bathroom to have in your house. I'm all about the very specific buyer. They may get it, they may not.
As a California renovator, my clients are always looking for the absolute best master suite. There's one master suite that I think buyers will pay a premium. That master suite belongs to Leanne. I think you guys all nailed it, did an amazing job. Like, all of you are winners here today, obviously. I fell in love with yours because of the creativity of completely reconfiguring the space. You went minimalistic in the bedroom, but when I walked into that bathroom, I felt like I was walking into a $3 million house. The vibe you created was stunning. I think you just knocked it out of the park. So
Thank you.
that's why I think your master bathroom
Tarek.
wins.
Thank you.